Hi, I'm Mike, and in this video I'm going to unbox the BT1 and BT1 Lite from AutoFix. Both the BT1 and the BT1 Lite are starting and charging system testers, meaning they can test the vehicle's battery, starter, and alternator, and quickly give you a detailed health status of each component. Let's take a quick look at both tools. The BT1 Lite comes in a small box with the clamps included. There is a small device that emits a Bluetooth signal when you press the button. The BT1 Lite is an app-based tool, compatible with both Android and iOS devices. The BT1 Lite can also be used with the AutoFix D1 diagnostic tablet, giving the D1 in-depth starting and charging system test capabilities and battery replacement related functions, including registration and electrical component reset. The BT1 comes in a durable blow molded case. Here's the Bluetooth-enabled VCI that plugs into the vehicle's OBD2 port to allow the BT1 to wirelessly diagnose the vehicle. It also comes with these polarity-protected battery clamps and cable that attaches to the bottom of the tool. The BT1 itself is an Android-based touchscreen device. Run in or out of vehicle tests and view reports and history in data management. Complete battery registration, electrical component resets, and diagnostics directly from the home screen. Finally, you can print customized reports from the BT1 and give them to customers for detailed test results. Included in the box are 2 paper rolls. Replacement paper should be ordered from the AutoFix website or contact AutoFix support for exact paper specifications. The BT1 is an easy and affordable way to run a complete analysis of vehicle starting and charging system, and perform an array of battery-related functions as well. If you have any questions, please reach out to AutoFix support and check out our testing videos on the AutoFix YouTube channel. I'm Mike, thank you for watching.